So I write, can anybody hear me? I write songs for fun, and I work also at the psychology department and the Center for Alaska Native Health Research at UAF. And sometimes my work, connections, and my research collaborations and students and mentors provide inspiration and find their way into songs, intermingling along with my own experiences and connections to place. So this song, Tundra Tea, was inspired by those who hold the tundra in their heart. And I've seen how that connection to land, to home, provides a sanctuary in one's soul and a connection to identity and culture and who you are. This is called Tundra Tea. Bubbles rise, dark leaves give water life, fragrant air, white steam float in dive. Oh, warm your hands, your bones, your heart. Put the pieces back that fell apart. Tundra Tea. At her home, she walks in tapestry, crimson berries, white flowers, leaves of green. Feed the family, feed the soul, chase away the winter cold. Tundra Tea. She keeps the tundra with her when she bids her home goodbye. Carried in her heart, she wanders the concrete sky. Bubbles rise, dark leaves give water life, fragrant air, white steam float and dive. Through her breath, her blood, her skin, bring her back to where it all begins. Tundra Tea. Again, my footsteps on the ground. Again, wind swirling round. Place I remember, that's always here. Through the spinning of the wheel and the silent snow. She keeps the tundra with her when she bids her home goodbye. Carried in her heart, she wanders concrete sky. Bubbles rise, dark leaves give water life, fragrant air, white steam float and dive. Through your breath, your blood, your skin, bring you back to where it all begins. Tundra Tea. Some songs capture a feeling, a hope, a connection, a metaphor. Some songs capture a story. So, and many of my songs are based in Alaska, but this one is in Hawaii. So, one January, some years ago, I went snorkeling in Maui off of Chains Beach, and I came across a heartbreaking sight, a green sea turtle that was tangled up in fishing line. So this song is her story. And it's called Honu, and before this was a song, it was actually a story that I practiced telling at a storytelling workshop by Rob Prince, that Rob Prince facilitated at UAF. Then I was like, you know what, I want it to be a song. And instead of telling it from my perspective, I wanted to tell it from the turtle's perspective. So here it is a true story, although I did have to take some artistic license with the songs that I imagined in the turtle's mind. So, Honu. My name is Honu. I live a turtle's life. My turtle friends and I share the ocean without much strife. We graze for limo among the bulges of the sea. We live to hover, let the cleaner fish scrub our flippers clean. Then one day as I forage and the waves around me spin, I suddenly feel invisible lines slicing through my skin. I remember the old ones called it sharp tentacles of humankind. No one can see it, many are lost, I haven't got much time. Far away, the tourists snorkel by, unaware of my pain, and just the ocean high. Help, I need to break free. Invisible lines are entangling me. No one knows and no one cares. I'm alone, no one's there. I gotta break free. I gotta break free. My turtle friend sees my struggles, draws a snorkeler to me. A flipperless, barefoot tenderfoot, how could she set me free? She's way outside her element, thrashing all around. She's so short-winded, could barely dive a few feet down. She swims off, but soon she's back, this time with her tools. Fins in her feet, scissors in her hands, but her scissors can't slip through. Lines are tight like tentacles, around my flippers locked. She snips the lines around my shell, I swim free from the rock. No longer tethered, but the lines still tangle me. I glide off to the depths, as if flight can set me free. Help, I need to break free. Invisible lines are entangling me. But someone knows and someone cares. I'm not alone, someone's there. I gotta break free. I gotta break free. Tenderfoot keeps watch from above. The sky around her gleams, like my ancestors would watch over humans and their dreams. Can't help when I'm in motion. I pause on the ocean floor. I nuzzle the lines, they still won't budge, but looser than before. She dives down deep and snips them off, then back to the surface for air. Can't hold her breath like turtles can, but I see she really cares. I treat her like a cleaner fish. I hover and I pose. She dives again and snips me clean, then back to the surface she goes. I swim up and look at her, connecting eye to eye. Honu and human watch over each other through our lives. I'm used to taking care of myself. I'm a turtle after all. But even sea turtles could use a hand somewhere in the long haul. Help, we all need to break free. The one who is there may be who we need. When we know that someone cares, we're not alone, someone's there, and we can break free. We can break free. You'll never know who it'll be. It could be you, it could be me. Whoever you are, wherever you'll be.
Kathleen and I will do one more song, and then Caitlin will take the stage. And so this is a song that celebrates all the seasons of Alaska. And it actually started from a Facebook post that I wrote
in 2020, in the spring of 2020, when I'd taken my last ski of the season. And I wrote on Facebook, "The rain and sun are washing the snow away." And a friend of mine, Sina Anahita, said, "Oh, is that a song?" And my first impulse was to type, "Oh no, that's not enough for a whole song." But I paused before typing. And as I paused, other aspects of the song came to mind, the dance of the rain and sun through the seasons. And I felt like it should be a bossa nova. I actually don't write a lot of bossa novas. And I started kind of singing the lyrics to Corcovada, just to kind of get into the groove a little bit. But it really deserved its own melody and deserved to be its own song. And I'm thrilled that Kathleen is joining on this song. Embrace the snow, embrace the cold, watch the sliding shadows grow, kick and glide into the stretching sunshine. Rhythm of your breath and skis move together solidly, knowing that the longest season in Alaska soon is over, soon is over. Rain and sun, sun and rain, take turns and wash the snow away. Waters flow through the snow, rivers run into another day. Embrace the flow, embrace the waves, be the carefree otters play. Paddle on into the stretching sunshine. Never know when wildfires grow, drive you back into your home. Come with me, just take each day, surround yourself with all this wonder, all this wonder. Rain and sun, sun and rain, dance and turn through endless days when the flames gather rain. We can feel our breath return again. Beauty comes when rain and sun are in balance. Balance. Embrace the tundra turning red, berry sweet, family fed. Run into the windy, dazzling sunshine. Multicolored patterns fly, while your boots go crunching down high, knowing that the shortest season in Alaska soon is over, soon is over. Rain and sun, sun and rain, dance and turn through autumn days, brilliant leaves glitter through trees, gone so fast we take our breath away. Embrace the frost and welcome snow, watch the seasons ebb and flow, float into the sunshine that's fading. Watch your breath steam the air, know that every moment's there. If you find no joy in snow, you'll have less joy, but still the same snow, still the same snow. Rain and sun, sun Thank you, Kathleen. Thanks. And now I'd love to welcome Kathleen Fagre to the stage. Woo!